Bumbleberry.
A is for ambulance. It rushes quickly to help people in need. With flashing lights and a loud siren, it clears the way. Let's make space. Help is on the way. Nee-naw, nee-naw. B is for bus. It takes kids to school and back safely. Hop on, find a seat, and enjoy the ride. Honk, honk. C is for car. We use it to go shopping, visit parks, or go on trips. Fast or slow, the car keeps rolling. Vroom! D is for dump truck. It carries heavy things like rocks and dirt. Watch it lift and dump with a loud thud. E is for electric scooter. It's silent, smooth, and zips fast with just a push. Let's ride around the garden. F is for fire truck. It helps firefighters put out fires fast. With ladders, hoses, and courage, here comes help. G is for garbage truck. It keeps the city clean by picking up trash. Clunk! In goes the garbage. Crunch! H is for helicopter. It flies up with spinning blades and goes where cars can't. Let's hover in the sky. I is for ice cream truck. It plays happy music and brings tasty treats. Can you hear it coming? J is for Jeep. It's made for rough roads and wild paths. Hold tight. Here comes a bump. K is for kayak. It glides on water with paddles. Splash, splash. Let's float gently down the stream. L is for limousine. It's long, fancy, and makes you feel like a star. Wave to the crowd. It's showtime. M is for motorcycle. It's fast, loud, and built for speed. Zoom away with the wind. N is for narrowboat. It moves slowly and gently on water. Let's enjoy a quiet, cozy ride. O is for off-road vehicle. It drives over mud, rocks, and steep hills. Ready for an adventure? P is for police car. It keeps everyone safe and follows the rules. Quick, let's catch the bad guys. Q is for quad bike. It has 4 wheels and goes off-road super fast. Hang on for a bumpy ride. R is for rocket. It blasts up into the stars. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. Lift off. This is for submarine. It travels underwater where we can't see from above. Submarines explore oceans and help in research. Let's dive deep into the sea. T is for tractor. It helps farmers plow fields and plant crops. Tractors are slow but super powerful. Let's go help on the farm. U is for unicycle. It has only 1 wheel and takes great balance to ride. You'll often see it in circuses or street shows. Wobble, wobble, amazing! V is for van. Vans are used for delivering packages or carrying people. They are helpful for work and travel. Look, your parcel is here. W is for wheelbarrow. It's used to carry soil, plants, and tools in the garden. Push it along with both hands and one wheel. Great job, little helper! X is for X-ray van. It helps doctors check bones using special machines. This van travels to places where help is needed. Let's take a peek inside. I is for yacht. It's a big boat used for fun and relaxing rides. People enjoy parties and vacations on yachts. Let's sail away on the ocean. Z is for Zeppelin. It's a giant airship filled with gas that floats like a balloon. Long ago, people used it to travel in the air. Let's enjoy the view from above.
If you like this video, then do like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you next time with a brand new video.